So we are going to start our previous system design series, and this time we are going to cover one concept per day in a structured manner, and I'll try to answer all the questions that will get raised either in the Telegram group or the Google Classroom for the topics that will get covered in the week, and I'll try to answer all those questions over the weekend. For understanding any of the concepts in a better way, always try to answer those three questions related to that particular concept: what, when, and why. So what exactly we meant by those concepts, when to apply those concepts, where exactly those concepts will fit in into the actual design, and then last but not the least, why exactly we need to apply those concepts, what is the trade-off that we are taking, what will happen if we don't apply those concepts, and what are the other alternatives related to those concepts. I am a very beginner, I am not a pro, nowhere close to that. I am still learning and continuing to do so with these sessions. Please do highlight any of the mistakes and I'll be more than happy to correct. Feel free to connect if you want to contribute. And these are some of the resources that will help to access the material. So first one is the Google Classroom link where you can join and ask the questions. The Telegram link where generally I post the update and you can ask your questions here as well. And this is the playlist link where I am going to upload all the videos in this session series. And after that we have the previous playlist where we have uploaded the session recordings of the last session recordings. And last but not the least, we have the Google Doc link where I have listed down all the concepts that will cover in this session series, and I'll add more and more topics going forward in this document. If you want to connect with me, feel free to connect on LinkedIn. This is video number 0 for this session series, and I'll upload more videos going forward.